Alright guys, so now I'm going to use this stuff to remove the powder coat. I used some compressed air and a lot of it actually came off. The stuff is just flaking. But I don't want to use a brush quite yet because I don't want to scratch up the aluminum too badly. So I'm going to try this out first and see how it goes. Never used it on powder coat. So I'll do this and bring you back. Just to show you the level of aluminum corrosion, I've just been using a knife while some of the other parts soak. And I mean, look at all this stuff just flakes right off. All this white corrosion underneath. So yeah, definitely good to strip it all off. Here's a quick update. Not looking too bad. I think I've gotten as much as I can with wire brushing. Actually, I'm using this fiberglass wheel. Works really well. There are two other panels I still have to do. I've had like 4 rounds with the aircraft stripper. I think I'm going to get some of the stuff that's not aerosol, because that does not work very well. So I'm using a combination of things. Short, kind of very hard wheels, wire wheels, softer wheels like these, and then the fiberglass one works, I think, the best. And I'm using it on my electric drill and kind of switching back and forth between that and some cheap pneumatic tools. So we'll see. These panels, everything's going to go on the sandblaster. I'm just trying to get as much of the powder coat off as I can before I get them into the blaster. So when it's all done and ready to go, I'll show you. So let me show you the finish that this fiber wheel makes. It's not bad. I mean, it's very smooth. I am going to sandblast everything, but there are some areas that I just can't get to. So that's done, that's done. The back of the gear housing's done. This is as done as I can get it with the wheels. And then that's the other end of the housing. That's the last thing. That's the last thing I need to do. And then into the sandblaster. Not too bad. A little more, and then the last piece will be done. Alright guys, well, this is as good as it's going to get before the sandblasting cabinet. That was a lot of grinding and a lot of wheeling. You can tell in some of the areas, in the small crevices, I wasn't able to get to, like in the corners here, but the sandblaster will get that. Somebody suggested polish it and and clear coat it. Now I think it's going to be black when it's all done, but that's about it for this one. It took a while. My observation, I guess, is that the fiber wheel is for sure the way to go. Without that, I would have done a lot of damage and would have taken a lot longer. So that's it for this video, guys. I will come back at you probably during the sandblasting. We'll have one more, and then we'll do primer, top coat, clear coat, and then final assembly. Alright, so hope you learned that protect your winch, otherwise you're stuck with something like this. Talk to you soon.